Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. Here we go then. We are back with another close-up coins. So 10 close-up pictures of 10 commemorative coins. There's 9 50p's in total and also one 10 pence coin. We'll go through all of them together and then they'll be on a couple of loops at the end so you can really concentrate and you don't have me annoying you in the background. I have been a little bit mean with some of these. You're only going to see the edges of the coins just because you have all been doing so well. I am really trying to make it a little bit more difficult, but try and keep it fun and exciting at the same time. Now, there might be a couple of territory coins in here as well, which means that they might be from the Isle of Man, Jersey, Guernsey or Gibraltar. Don't worry if you're thinking to yourselves, I've never seen one of these before. You might not have actually ever seen one in your change, but again, just trying to make it a little bit fun and exciting. All of the results will be up on Monday, so I will leave you a couple of days to try and get your head around some of these. Again, apologies if some of them are super difficult. I did say in the previous video, if anybody would really like to see their own game featured on the channel, please do let me know in the comment section and maybe a little bit about the game as well. I do want to have so much fun over Christmas, keep it so fun and exciting, and really we want to play as many games as possible and we'll get some coins out to you guys at home as well. So any game suggestions, please do comment them below. I really can't wait to get playing your games over the next month. So finally, before I let you concentrate, a huge shout out to everyone that's been letting me know that they've been voting for me on the Change Checker Awards. They uploaded a video of the Change Checker around a week ago, and you can nominate different people that might have helped with your coin collecting, etc. And again, I really do feel privileged if people think that I have helped you. I honestly cannot thank you enough. And again, if you are one of those people that have voted for me, thank you so much. Again, best of luck with the close-up coins. And if you do have a game and want to see it featured, comment below. Stay safe, have a really nice weekend. And as always, thanks for watching.